Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for the comment section. And with all that being said, we're just taking a quick look at Vechain on our daily time frame here. As you can see, we are continuing to deviate back inside of this bear market range that we were in for the entirety of the bear market. You can see here, making our higher highs and higher lows. We're getting that breakout, that back test. But looking like we're continuing to trickle to the downside with Bitcoin leading the market down today with another big red bearish candle. Obviously altcoins continuing to get slaughtered and heading down probably into more of a fear in terms of the market greed index, probably heading down into fear now, I would say. Heading down towards the bottom of the range for Bitcoin, looking like a bit more of a flush today with a big red candle. And overall for me, looking like we're getting into the position where I'm thinking about taking long positions on a lot of altcoins, to be honest. Vechain getting very overextended to the downside now, as we can see on the charts here. I'm looking at potentially taking some long positions in this area because we are getting just so overextended to the downside now, it's not even funny. You can see on our RSI, pretty much every single altcoin that I've looked at over the past few days has been getting extremely oversold. You can see we're heading into our extremely oversold area now. Last time we were in these areas, we can see we were down here at the bottom of the range. Extremely oversold here, here as well. Also, they'd say back here as well. So really mostly just at the bottom of this range. And you can see pretty much every time that was the case, we did see quite a nice impulsive reversal off of those lows. So I'm not saying that we couldn't go lower here, but I do think we probably, if I keep a nice healthy buffer on my stop loss, I think realistically we could be looking at something like this, at least coming up and retesting this resistance here for a little bit of profit. But I think realistically we could be coming up and breaking through that resistance soon. A lot of cryptos are also forming up this potential bump and run pattern where you've got your resistance, big capitulation, and some of them are just starting to come up and retest their resistance again, where you probably get your bump and run pattern, the breakout back test, and then continuation to a new swing high. Right now looking like we're getting a very overextended back test of these previous levels of structure for a lot of cryptos, not just Vechain. But I do think we're probably going to get a nice reversal in the market soon. I'm getting very excited about these very sexy entries. So